In this video, we will show you how to assemble your Greenworks pressure washer. This guide may be followed for models GPW2000-1RG and PWA201. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Tools required: you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's get started. Step 1. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with the packing material and any loose unassembled parts. There is a nozzle cleaning tool in the bag with the manual. Carefully lift the pressure washer out of the box and set it down. Finish removing the packing material. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product and confirmed it works properly. Assembling the wheels. Insert the axle through the hole in the center of the wheel. Slide the axle into the wheel mounting hole. Place a washer on the axle and secure it with the cotter pin. Repeat on the opposite side and return the unit upright. Installing the gun holder. With the curve of the handle facing down, align the gun holder with the threaded sleeves on the right of the handle. Insert the screws through the back side of the handle and tighten with a Phillips head screwdriver. Installing the nozzle panel. Align the spray tip panel on the left side of the handle. Using 2 of the fine threaded screws, secure the spray tip panel from the back side of the handle. Be advised, the included nozzles are pre-installed on this unit. There is an additional space in case you choose to purchase one separately. Installing the upper handle. Insert the upper handle into the lower handle arms. Push and hold the lock buttons on the side of the handle and slide the upper handle into the lower handle until the lock buttons click into place. Installing the power cord storage arm. Align the cord arm basement with the threaded insert on the side of the upper handle near the spray tip panel. Place the power cord storage arm onto the base facing upward. With the washer on the screw, thread the screw through the cord arm assembly and tighten it with a Phillips head screwdriver. Hang the power cord on the storage arm. Install the Velcro hose strap. Attach the Velcro hose strap to the upper handle as shown. Cut the ties on the hose, then secure it with the strap. Install the wand. If your wand came with a protective cover on one end, this must be removed. Push the threaded side of the wand into the end of the spray gun and screw it on until secure. Place the spray gun into the gun holder. For videos on how to maintain and operate your pressure washer, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks pressure washer will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.